Hey, good morning, gang. This is Coach Alex, and we're about to open in 2.5 minutes. Trend is up, but we're getting a correction. So, one of the trades we can do is put, after the market corrects into our support zones, all right, a little bit lower here, we can put a buy stop above the 687 to go long right after the open or before that when they push it down so they could push it up. So, you let them push it down and then they push it up. And once it breaks that 687, all the shorts are trapped. So that's our first trade of the morning that we can use to get on board the trapped shorts. We take advantage of that. So right now the market is correcting. There's 147 points of volatility. Use that volatility. Okay, guys, there's 147 points, right, of volatility. So use that. Let the market correct, and then once it breaks above that again, that 687, that's the resistance now. Then you could say the market's starting back up. Newer traders, we strongly recommend that you wait for 6 minutes, all right, before taking a position in the market. Wait 6 minutes. As you know, guys, a lot of times they push it down so they could push it up, and you just wait until that is over. 15 seconds until the kickoff. Let's play smart and make some money again today. Let's have another good Thursday just like yesterday. Newer traders wait, bigger traders can take action immediately. We are open for business. Market correcting nicely. Watch the stochastics. Usually we're very happy to wait 6 minutes after the open. Sideways action. The ticks are positive. So, yeah, if they're forcing it down and eventually they'll push it up, we go long with the push up and then we'll trail our stops. Stay long. Those who took the 87 breakout, stay long. Take your first target at 702, and then you can put your stop to break even. Be the first trade of the morning for the bigger traders, right? Breakout above the 687 or the hookup on the stochastics. Either way, smaller traders, you got another 3.5 minutes to wait. Capiche? I did take this trade right here. I am flat now. We'll wait for another pullback. Wait for another pullback toward this green line, and then you could take another uh, long signal. Watch the low stochastics, and then put your buy stop in. You can do it again, right? Make sure you have your sell orders already waiting for you, right? You could put a buy stop, let's say around 60.81 even. So you get your move back up, you take one off, and then your stop goes to your entry point. Does that make sense? The last one I took off at 702, and then I had my stop at 689. Everybody ready for the next round? How about 676 area now, right? If it goes above 676, it is a breakout upward. It's amazing how they push it down into their support, they get it, and then they push it back up, right? So they were buying a little bit around 655, right? We've got a minute and a half for the smaller accounts to be able to start trading. We've got our support around 655. That's your buying area. If you can't get low, then you buy when it starts going back up. All right. We suggest anything above 676 should push the market higher. Okay, take it off at 89. Now you put your stop at 78. Stop at 678. All right. Trailing stop 678 on this long trade. Trailing stop at 680. Take half off, stop at 680. 82 is your stop. Is everybody long? 85 is your stop. Just keep trailing it. You got one left. Okay, JT, good job. 88 is your stop. This will be our final trade this morning. We grabbed the first one off the other numbers. Everybody on YouTube watching this, I am broadcasting live. So it's like you get the market coming down and then you break out on the upside. Okay, 695 is my stop. This will be the last trade, so hopefully you guys are getting it. And then you go for coffee and write your letters, order some Christmas goodies online. 697. I'm going to get out. Oh, I have two left. Okay, we're going to get 697 on flat. Ding, 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 ding. We're flat. Thank you, guys. 3 for 3. 3 for 3 this morning on the bigger runs, and including that one short trade on the inversion. Now, these were inversion signals, as you could see, the green down there, and that's the proper way to trade inversion. Let it come down. Inversion tells you where the support is, but we also know grandma's support. We had confluence. Good job, Robert. Good job, Wise Trade. Who else got some of that? How many did not get some of these buy signals? The one at 86 or the one at 76? Anyone miss them all? Anyone not get some? All right, Green Jeans, you'll get them. If anyone missed them, guess what? We teach you how to do this. You're not going to be taught during trading. We're going to teach you when the market. Good job. Shifu's done 1.2% for the day. That's how you do it. All right, guys. If you don't know how to do these trades, the idea is to practice. And there are there's two kinds of classes. There's a 6-week online course that we do once a week. We do that either in a small group or one-on-one. And then there's, of course, the personal mentorship. Lactic, did you catch some of these? And yeah, you could call Dan at 630-364-6749. Lactic, you got a couple of these long trades, I hope, right? On the pullback and the hookup. Good job, guys. Yep. Yeah, don't do those other trades that made you red. Do the ones that we're teaching you. I know it's exciting to do other things, but the ones that I teach you will make you money. So ignore the other ones. And that's the only thing you've got. I mean, you're still hooking on to the old way of doing business. Once you completely eradicate them, just take these trades and think about this, Lactic. How successful would you have been if you eliminated, how many trades did you make so far? Like 5? 3. Okay, so let's say, how many of the bad trades did you do? 2? Let's say 2 of them. Okay, so let's say you just took the buy stop at 676 that I had, just that one, and you went long at 76 and got out at 705, like Wise Trade and a few others did. And that's the only thing you did today. Look how much you'd be up. And let's say you just did 3 contracts, right? 676, 705, like 32 points. 32 points, right? $150 times 3. You make about $450 and you're done. That's where we want to get you to. $450 done for the day. You don't have to sit there clicking away and some wacky trades that you've learned in the past from wacky people. Just do what I've taught you, and you will be very, very green, like everybody else. Good job, Paul. Yep. All right. I'm going to cut it short for the YouTubers because we don't want to give away free advice. You guys have to sign up. If you can't afford $25 for a 3-day trial, guess what? If you have to meet with your accountant, your lawyer, your tax advisors, your kids, your children, your college fund, your stockbrokers to invest $25, you can't even afford Purdue chickens. By the way, I might raise the $25, and I'll tell you why. I went to McGuire's for the pizza. You know what they raised it to? $27.59 for a pizza. One pizza. Here we've got a career move for you guys. And someone said, well, $25, I can't afford it. Unbelievable. All right. Have a great rest of your day. This is the YouTubers. The rest of you guys stand around. We'll have more fun.